First by from Barangay Antipolo, Milis, Espinosa, Sonora, Gitano, and Ucana. First by from MH Del Pilar, Gavan, Libria, Hispaniola, Pacheco, and jersey number 6.
Bago, no? Gapamid ba? Kay. Ito na. Ito mo.
Battle of jumper between Espinosa and Gavan.
Timing. Ano nga, hindi ako hindi mo ba? Hindi ako nag-broke.
Zamora giving the ball to Gitano. Gitano giving the ball on the middle to Espinosa. No good. Hispaniola for the rebound. Hispaniola giving the ball. Guarded by Ucana. Hispaniola behind the back to jersey number 6. No good. Melis to Gitano. Gitano giving the ball to Melis. Fires for 3. Connect for 3 points by Melis. And Gavan to jersey number 9. Ucana for the rebound to Melis. Lays up short. Hispaniola for the rebound. Hispaniola giving the ball. Hispaniola drive, extra pass to jersey number 6, connect for 2 points by jersey number 6. Gitano to Espinosa, shot clock 14. Zamora to Gitano, 10 to shoot. Back to Zamora, the wood. Gitano for the rebound. Gitano to Ucana, 10 to shoot. Bars for 3. Connect for 3 points by Ucana. Gavan, shot clock 14 to jersey number 21. No good. Gitano driving the ball, looking for opening to Melis. Bars for 3. Connect for 3 points by Melis. To jersey number 6, driving the ball to Hispaniola. Extra pass to jersey number 6. Hispaniola for the second chance. No good. Hispaniola again, and there's the result. Jersey number 19, Melis. First personal foul by Melis. Hispaniola from the beach line for the first 2. Connect for 1 point. Hispaniola for the second 2. Ball and play. Gitano driving the ball. Gitano. Gavan boarding ball to jersey number 12. Driving the ball. Pacheco to jersey number 21. To Hispaniola. Fars for 2. Connect for 3 points by Hispaniola. Gitano dribbling the ball to Melis. Melis back to Gitano. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot. Melis bars for 3. No good. Jersey number 12 to jersey number 6 to Hispaniola. Lays up for 2 points by Hispaniola. Gitano for the bound to Melis, back to Gitano. Gitano giving the ball to Espinosa, to Ukana. First play for 2 points by Ukana. And Gaban for the bound to jersey number 6. To jersey number 21 to Hispaniola. Hispaniola, shot clock 14. To jersey number 21 denied. Espinosa. And there's the result. Jersey number 21, Espinosa, first personal foul. Jersey number 12, 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Turn around and extra pass. 10 to shoot. Hispaniola, 5 to shoot. Zamora for the rebound to Gitano. Gitano drive and there's the result. Jersey number 6, first personal foul. Gitano ground to mid-right for the second through. Ball and play. Gitano for the rebound. Gitano to Ukana. To Zamora. Shot clock 10. To Espinosa. Flag for 2 points by Espinosa. Bars for 3, connect for 2 points by jersey number 12. And Zamora for the rebound to Gitano. Gitano taking the ball. Gitano to Melis. Bars for 3, connect for 3 points by Melis. Pacheco to Lebria. First, no good. Zamora for the rebound. Zamora to Gitano. Gitano taking the ball. Gitano. Drive, lays up, no good. Melis for the rebound. And last touch by Gavan. Shot clock 13, 13 to shoot. Shot clock 13. 13 to shoot, shot clock 13. Intercept by Hispaniola. Hispaniola to Tendero. Lays up play for 2 points by Tendero. Gitano for the bound to Melis. Melis giving the ball back to Gitano. Gitano giving the ball on the leader. Looking for opening. Shot clock 14 to Ukana. Ukana drive. Connect for 2 points by Ukana. Pacheco to Gavan. Intercept by Zamora to Melis to Gitano. Gitano to Espinosa. Espinosa drive. And there's the result. It's a traveling violation. Lebria for the rebound to Pacheco. Pacheco giving the ball to Hispaniola. Intercept by Ukana. Ukana giving the ball. Guarded by Lebria. Kick out to Melis. Bars for 3. Tendero for the rebound. Tendero giving the ball to Gavan. Gavan drive by Kasabang foul. Jersey number 6. Jersey number 6. Zamora, first personal foul, second personal foul by Zamora, and first personal foul by Zamora. Complete 3 points by Gavan. Okada for the ball to Gitano. Gitano giving the ball to Okada. Okada. Shot clock 14. To Ariza. Ariza 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Okada. Hook shot connect for 2 points by Okada. Lebria to Gavan. Gavan to 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. No good. To Ariza. Ariza giving the ball to Okada. Okada giving the ball to Ariza. Shot clock 14 to Hitano. Hitano lays up, no good. Gavan for the rebound and intercept by Valdivia. Intercept by Lebria to Gavan. To Hispaniola. Hispaniola drive. No good. Okada for the rebound to Valdivia. Valdivia to the ball. And last touch by jersey number 21 and some. And timeout. Barangay MH del Pilar. And remaining time 2 minutes and 8 seconds for the first quarter game. And the scores now 21-16. 5-point lead by Barangay Antipolo. Ariza for the rebound. Ariza looking for opening zone Molino. There's the result. It's a traveling violation. Jersey number 21 to Hispaniola. Hispaniola to shot clock 10. Sigural to Tendero. Molino to Valdivia. Shot clock 14. Gavan for the rebound. Gavan. Sigural to Gavan. Shot clock 14. To jersey number 12, Pacheco. Bars connect for 2 points by Pacheco. Amar to Ugana. Intercept by Pacheco. Pacheco to Sigural. Back to Pacheco. And intercept. There's the result. Jersey number 8. Hispaniola. First personal foul by Hispaniola. Ariza to Valderrama. Gavan for the rebound. Gavan. Pass break pass to Sigural. And last touch by Molino. 31 seconds, 30 seconds. 25, shot clock 14. 20, 10 to shoot. 15 seconds. 10. 5. Back to the ball game. Second quarter game between Barangay MH Del Pilar and Barangay Antipolo, 30 under category. Garcia panimbang to Baptis. And last touch by Baptis. Amar for the ball to Moleño. Moleño back to Amar. Amar back to Moleño. To Valdivia. Shot clock 14. Ariza bars, no good. Hispaniola taking the ball. Guarded by Moleño. Hispaniola. Turn around. And there's the whistle. Jersey number 18. Ariza. First personal foul. Garcia for the round to Hispaniola. Hispaniola to Garcia. Back to Hispaniola. And to shoot. Hispaniola.
Oh, eh, naman.
Moleño. 9 minutes and 10 seconds. It's a grappling violation. Baptis for the ball to Garcia. Garcia dribbling the ball to jersey number 26 to Hispaniola. Shot clock 10. Hispaniola. There's the whistle. Opens the foul by jersey number 8 Hispaniola. Second personal foul. Ariza for the ball to Amar, to Villabraga, back to Amar, to Ariza. Ariza, bars, no good. Ukana for the second chance, connect for 2 points by Ukana. Garcia dribbling the ball to Hispaniola, to Strong. Sub. Valdivia drive to Sahara, to Amar, Mars, no good. Hispaniola for the rebound. Hispaniola dribbling the ball. Hispaniola drive, lays up short. Hispaniola again, denied. Sahara for the rebound to Villabraga. Villabraga dribbling the ball to Ukana, denied. And there's the whistle. Jersey number 5, Garcia. First personal foul by Garcia. Ukana from the V2 line for the second through. Ball and play. Connect for 1 point by Ukana. And Gaban for the ball to Garcia. Garcia dribbling the ball to jersey number 26. Back to Garcia. Shot clock 14. Anderson. Ukana to Villabraga. Villabraga to Sahara. Back to Villabraga. No good. Villabraga for the rebound. Amar to Valdivia, no good. Garcia dribbling the ball to Gaban. Gaban to there's the whistle. Jersey number 6, Samara. Second personal foul. Sub. Gavan for the ball. Blue jersey number 26. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. Melis dribbling the ball, guarded by Garcia. To Amar, Amar to Villabraga, back to Amar. To Melis, fires for 3. No good. And last touch by Garcia. Shot clock 13 to shoot. Shot clock 13. Oh, Gana to Amar. On the corner, no good. Samara, there's the whistle. Jersey number 21 and sub. First personal foul by jersey number 21 and Samara from the B2 line for the second two. Ball and play. Complete 2 points by Zamora. And Gavan for the ball to Garcia. To Gavan. Gavan. To Legria. To Gavan to Garcia. 10 to shoot. And the set by Villabraga. Villabraga. Dribbling the ball. Drive. Lays up the net for 2 points by Villabraga. Garcia to jersey number 26, bars, no good. Samara for the rebound, Samara dribbling the ball. 35 Baptiste, extra pass to Villabraga, connect for 2 points by Villabraga.
Ano di yung table, time out to? Sorry, hindi mo time out naman. Sa table, time out.
Garcia. And the side by Meles to Amar. Amar lays up. Connect for 2 points by Amar. And timeout. Barangay MH Del Pilar. And remaining time 5 minutes and 25 seconds for the second quarter game. 5 minutes and 25 seconds. And the scores of 32-20. 12-point lead by Barangay Antipolo. Si Coral dribbling the ball. And last touch by Dentero. Amar dribbling the ball. Looking for opening to Espinosa, to Meles. Fires for 3 points by Meles. And Dentero running on to Espanola, to Siguran, to Dentero, Dentero, to Espanola. Shot clock 14. And the set. Meles dribbling the ball. Meles, intercept by jersey number 17. Drive lays up line for 2 points by jersey number 17. Espinosa to Villabraga to Amar. Amar dribbling the ball. On the middle. 10 to shoot. Villabraga connect for 2 points by Villabraga. Espanola for the ground to Siguran. 4 minutes and 3 seconds remaining time. Guarded by Amar. Sigural to Tendero, extra pass to jersey number 17 to Wood. Meles to Villa Braga driving the ball to Amar to Samara, Mars, to Wood. Jersey number 12 running down Pacheco to Hispaniola, to Ivan, lays up there for 2 points by Hispaniola. Meles running down to Amar giving the ball back to Meles, back to Amar, shot clock 14, beats a driving violation, and timeout, Barangay Antipolo. Remaining time 3 minutes and 12 seconds. 3 minutes and 12 seconds for the second quarter game. And the scores of 37-24. And favor of Barangay Antipolo. Three minutes and 12 seconds remaining time. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Pacheco putting down to Sigural. Sigural back to Pana to Hitano. Lays up there for 2 points by Hitano. Pacheco putting down to Sigural. Sigural driving the ball. To Gaban, shot clock 14 to Pacheco, to Hispaniola, turn around and shot the wood. Hispaniola for the rebound to Hitano to Meles, lays up on it for 2 points by Meles. Then for the rebound to Sigural to Pacheco. To Tendero, drive play for 2 points by Tendero. Valdivia to Hitano, represented by Pacheco, to Sigural, back to Pacheco, play for 2 points by Pacheco. Hitano for the ball to Meles, back to Hitano, taking the ball. And the set by Pacheco to Gaban, through Hispaniola. Drive, lays up for 2 points by Hispaniola. 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining time. Ukana to Meles, bars for 3. Connect for 3 points by Meles. And then over the rebound to Sigural. Sigural driving the ball. And to Gaban. Shot clock 14 to Tendero. Lays up for 2 points by Tendero. 1 minute and 5 seconds remaining time. Hitano driving the ball. To Ukana. Back to Hitano. Shot clock 15. 55 seconds. Ukana. There's a whistle. It's a traveling violation. 50 seconds remaining time. 50 seconds. Tendero to Sigural. 45 seconds. To Gaban. 14 seconds. Shot clock 12. 12 to shoot, shot clock 12, 37 seconds. 10 to shoot, Sigural bars, Pacheco. Espinosa to Valdivia, to Hitano, 25. 20 seconds. 15 seconds remaining time. 10, 5, End of the second quarter game between Barangay MH Del Pilar and Barangay Antipolo. And the scores of 44. 10-point lead by Barangay Antipolo. Back to the court. This is the third quarter game between Barangay Antipolo and Barangay MH Del Pilar. And Okana for the bound to Gayorgor. Gayorgor to Okana. Back to Gayorgor. Gayorgor brings the ball. Looking for opening 2 minutes. Shot clock 14. Drive. No good. To Hispaniola. Hispaniola dribbling the ball. To Gaban. Back to Hispaniola. Lays up to Swam. Samara for rebound to Gayorgor to Okana. Okana dribbling the ball. Bars. Jersey number 16 for the rebound to jersey number 26. Back to jersey number 16 to Pacheco. Bars for 3. Connect for 3 points by Pacheco. And Samara for rebound to Gayorgor. Gayorgor dribbling the ball to Okana. Then the shoot. Connect for 2 points by Okana.
Gor.
Vélez for the rebound to Gregorio. Vélez to Okana for team to shoot. Pacheco to Hispaniola. To Gaban. Shot clock 14. Back to Hispaniola. Bars for 3. Jersey number 26. There's the result. It's a traveling violation. Gregorio, living the ball. To Okana, Bars. Vélez. And intercept by Okana to Gregorio. Gregorio, living the ball. Gregorio, drive, and there's the result. Jersey number 7. Gaban, first personal foul by Gaban. Vélez to Gregorio to Okana. Shot clock 10 to connect for 3 points by Vélez. Gaban to jersey number 26. To jersey number 16. Connect for 2 points by jersey number 17. Gregorio dribbling the ball. Shot clock 14. Sub. Okana for rebound to Gregorio. Bars for 3. No good. Pacheco lays up there for 2 points by Pacheco. Ellis for rebound to Gregorio. To Okana. To Melis, shot clock 14, bars for 3, and an out, Gaban for the rebound to Pacheco, to jersey number 6, there's Sowizala. Jersey number 25, Okana. First personal foul and sub. Gaban to Salmayor, bars for 3. Jersey number 16 for the rebound. And out of bounds. Okana for the rebound to Zamora, back to Okana. Okana, giving the ball. Ariza on the way down. And there's his own. Jersey number 18, Ariza. Second personal foul by Ariza. And Salmayor for the ball to Pacheco. Pacheco, giving the ball to Salmayor. Back to Pacheco. Shot clock 14 to Gaban. Bars. Zamora for the rebound to Okana. Okana giving the ball. Guarded by Gaban. Okana drive. No good. Gaban for the rebound to jersey number 16 to Pacheco. Pacheco giving the ball to Salmayor. Shot clock 14. Bars for 3 points by Salmayor. And Okana for the rebound to Amar. Amar giving the ball to Okana. Okana giving the ball back to Amar to Ariza. Shot clock 14. No good. Okana denied. Pacheco. Pass break, jersey number 16. And no good. Jersey number 16 again. No good. Ariza for the rebound to Okana. Okana giving the ball. 4 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Zamora on the wire. No good. Gaban for the rebound to Pacheco. Pacheco giving the ball guarded by Okana. Pacheco to jersey 16. Out of bounds. Zamora for the rebound to Okana. Okana giving the ball. Shot clock 14 to Ariza. One anchor, 2 points by Ariza. Pacheco, drink the ball. 3 minutes and 45 seconds to Gaban. Shot clock 10 to jersey number 17. There's his own. Jersey number 6, Zamora. Zamora, third personal foul. And jersey number 17 for the second two. Sub. Okana to Melis, bars, no good. To jersey number 16. And And the set by Meles to Ukana. Lays up leg for 2 points by Ukana. And Salmayor for the rebound to Lebria. Lebria giving the ball. Out of bounds and sub. Sub. Ukana giving the ball to Amar. Mars. Play for 2 points by Amar. Gaban for the ball to Hispaniola. Jersey is on. Jersey number 25. Ukana. Second personal foul. 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. Gaban for the foul to Dendero. Drive, no good. Dennis for the rebound to Ariza giving the ball to Ukana to Amar. Shot clock 14. Meles kick out to Amar. Fars for 3. No good. Hispaniola for the rebound. Hispaniola giving the ball. Guard by Hispaniola. And last touch by Ariza. Hispaniola for the rebound to Lebria. Gaban is there, playing for 2 points by Gaban. And Espinosa for the rebound to Meles to Ukana giving the ball. Looking for opening to Espinosa to Ariza. Then to shoot. Ukana to Espinosa. And the set by Hispaniola to Salmayor. Lays up the good. And last touch by Hispaniola and sub. One minute and 40 seconds remaining time. Ukana for the ball to Amar. Back to Ukana. Drive. Break for 2 points by Ukana. Lebria. Too strong.
Okay. Nilis ko po.
To Amar to Meles. Then to shoot. To Ukana on the middle. Break for 2 points by Ukana. And Gaban for the ball to Dendero. Back to Gaban giving the ball. Guarded by Ukana. To Hispaniola. Shot clock 14. Fars for 2. Correct for 2 points by Hispaniola. Meles for the ball. 55 seconds to Ukana. 50 seconds to Espinosa. To Ukana. 45. And there's the whistle. Jersey number 6. Dendero. Second personal foul. 44 seconds. 44 seconds. Correct for 2 points by Ukana. 35. Meles for the rebound. 20 seconds. Correct for 2 points by Amar. 15. 10. 5. And the of the third quarter game between Barangay MH Del Pilar and Barangay Antipolo. And the scores of 63-48 in favor of Barangay Antipolo. Back to the court. This is the last and final quarter game between Barangay Antipolo and Barangay MH Del Pilar. Tendero for rebound to Sigural to Pacheco. Pacheco taking the ball guarded by two. To Tendero. Shot clock 15 to Pacheco, bar for three, no good. Amar for the rebound. Amar to Valdivia. Valdivia drive, lays up, no good. Sigural for the rebound to Tendero. Tendero. Intercept by William Braga to Ucana. Ucana. Intercept by Sigural to Hispaniola. Hispaniola drive, lays up, no good. Hispaniola again, and Michael Samabang foul. 23, Ucana. First personal foul by Ucana. And Hispaniola for the bonus through ball and play. Complete 3 points by Hispaniola. Ucana for rebound to Ucana. Ucana doing the ball. Looking for a winning. And last touch by Tendero. Valdivia to Villafranca. Villafranca to Ucana. Tendero gives the ball. Tendero drive, lays up for 2 points by Tendero. Ucana for the ball to Valdivia to Amar. Out of bounds. Sigural gives the ball. Drive, no good. Ucana for the rebound to Valdivia. Valdivia taking the ball. Back to Ucana, to Valdivia, to Ucana. Ucana to Valdivia. Drive, extra pass to Amar. No good. Sigural to Tendero. To jersey number 11 and timeout Barangay Antipolo. And the remaining time 7 minutes and 59 seconds. 7 minutes and 59 seconds remaining time for the last and final quarter game. And the scores of 63-55 in favor of Barangay Antipolo. Itano, take the ball. Itano to Zamora. Zamora, take the ball. Back to Itano. Itano, take the ball to Villabraga. Shot clock 14. Villabraga. Guards. Connect for 2 points by Villabraga. Gaban, dribbling the ball to Sigural. Shot clock 14, drive. It's a traveling violation. Zamora for rebound to Hitano. Hitano dribbling the ball to Villafranca. Bars for 3, no good. Pacheco for the rebound. Pacheco to Hispaniola. Drive, lays up for 2 points by Hispaniola. Villafranca for the rebound to Hitano. Hitano drive, lays up for 2 points by Hitano. Gaban for the rebound to Pacheco to Sigural. Fake and shot for 2 points by Sigural. Zamora to Hitano. Hitano dribbling the ball to Zamora. Zamora dribbling the ball. Guarded by Pacheco to Villafranca. It's a traveling violation. To Gaban on the middle, makes a pass to Hispaniola, playing for 2 points by Hispaniola. Espinosa up on the bound to Hitano. Hitano, dribbling the ball. Shot clock 14 to Melis. Step back and bars for 2. No good. Villafranca. Shot clock 5. And the second is Hispaniola to Sigural. And timeout Barangay Antipolo. Ukana dribbling the ball. Guarded by Sigural. Ukana looking for opening. Shot clock 14. Bars for 3. Good for 3 points by Ukana. And then that opening ball to Pacheco. Back to Sigural. Back to Pacheco. Pacheco. Shot clock 14 to Gaban. Good for 2 points by Gaban. Melis for the rebound to Ukana. Ukana dribbling the ball. Guarded by Hispaniola. Ukana. Shot clock 14, looking for opening. To Espinosa. And the shoot. And the set by Pacheco to Hispaniola. Correct for 2 points by Hispaniola. Ukana for the rebound to Espinosa. Back to Ukana. Ukana dribbling the ball to Ukana. Shot clock 14. Goes to zone. Jersey number 7. Gaban. Second personal foul. Ukana probably to right for the first 2. Ukana for the second group. Ball and play. Correct for 1 point by Ukana. Hispaniola for the rebound to Sigural. 4 minutes and 13 seconds remaining time. Sigural dribbling the ball to Hispaniola. Shot clock 14. Bars for 3 points by Hispaniola. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. And the scores of 71-70. 1 point lead by Barangay Antipolo. Zamora connect for 2 points by Zamora. Gaban to Hispaniola. Drive. Thursday zone. Sportsmanlike foul. Jersey number 6, unsportsmanlike foul. 2 Pedro plus ball position. 3 minutes and 57 seconds. 3 minutes and 57 seconds. Zamora's fourth personal foul by Zamora. Pacheco to Sigural, to Hispaniola, 10 to shoot. Hispaniola, 5 to shoot. Correct for 2 points by Gaba. Release for the round to Okana. Okana, moving the ball. 3 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Okana to Okana, denied. Pacheco for the rebound to Bendero. Bendero getting the ball. Drive to Hispaniola. Very good. Pacheco to Hispaniola. Pacheco to Sigural. Then to shoot. 5 to shoot. Espinosa for the rebound to Meles to Okana. Okana giving the ball to Zamora. And timeout! Barangay MH Del Pilar. And the winning time 2 minutes and 50 seconds. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time for the last and final quarter game. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. And the scores of 73-72. 1 point lead by Barangay Antipolo. Back to the court. Two minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Sigural for the rebound to Pacheco. Back to Sigural. Sigural to Gaban. To Pacheco. Shot clock 14. Drive. There's the result. Jersey number 18, Areza. Third personal foul by Areza. And Pacheco brought the beat to right for the first through. Pacheco for the second through. Ball and play. Correct for 1 point by Pacheco. And the scores of 73 all. 2 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Okana giving the ball. Shot clock 14. Okana. 10 to shoot to Valdivia. Valdivia to Ugana. 5 to shoot to Valdivia. Too good. Espinosa for the ball. Ariza Rader. Ariza. There's the result. Jersey number 6. Tendero. Third personal foul by Tendero. Ariza from the victory line for the first two. Ariza for the second two. Ball and play. Hispaniola won it down. Hispaniola. Last 2 minutes. Hispaniola. Hispaniola to Sigural. Sigural to Hispaniola to Gavan. Correct for 2 balls. Right Gavan. And Okana coming out to Okana. Okana with the ball. To Ariza, back to Okana, correct for 2 balls by Okana. Pacheco to Siguran, 1 minute and 35 seconds remaining time. To Tendero. And the shoot. There's the result. Jersey number 6, Tendero, pushing foul. Tendero, fourth personal foul by Tendero. One minute and 18 seconds remaining time. Okana, take the ball. To Amara, pass for 3 points by Amara. Hispaniola take the ball. Guarded by Amara. To Pacheco. 55. There's the result. Jersey number 23, Okana. Second personal foul and Gavan from the victory line for the first 2. Gavan for the second 2. 51 seconds. 51 seconds remaining time. Ball and play. Correct for 1 point by Gavan. 50 seconds. 45. 40 seconds. Correct for 3 points by Amara. 39 seconds remaining time. 39. 35. 13 seconds. Jersey number 12. Pacheco. Pacheco, second personal foul. And 14 foul. 25. Okana. 20 seconds. Shot clock 10. 15. 10. Correct for 2 points by Pacheco. There's the result. Jersey number 7, Gavan. 6 seconds. 6 seconds remaining time. 6 seconds. Gabon, third personal foul. 40 foul. 16 seconds remaining time. 6 seconds. 6 seconds remaining time. 6 seconds. 5. Next game, Barangay Pandan and Barangay Gomez. Player seconds.